namimigay na po ng batch shirts. So please make sure you get yours. And we're just waiting for the names to be drawn for the first 10 winners of the raffle. Kayo po ba? Mamaya malalaman. And of course, international po. Kung sino yung pinakamalapit, ay malayo, from here. Mamaya po malalaman natin So, i-award. Oh, we already have a winner. So, our first 10 winners will receive 500 pesos each. Palakpakan naman. Alright, so, how will we know the names? May names na po ba dito? Pera lang. Ma'am, paano ko po malalaman kung sino? Meron na po ba? Wala pa pong pangalan. Ayun na, ayan. So they're drawing. So please hold on to your raffle stubs. Ayan. So may call on Miss Amor. And Miss Selena. Kayo po ba ang mag-host ng raffle? No? Okay. Sige, first name, please. Alright, ma'am, please announce the first name. Number 10. Okay. Saan po yung list natin? Okay, meron po tayong alam niyo naman po yung numbers niyo, di ba? First winner is number 10. Number 10. Parang bingo lang po. Number 10. Wala na po ba? There! Congratulations, ma'am. 14. Okay. Picture naman. Picture. First winner. Alright. Congratulations, ma'am. Next winner, ma'am.
Number 25.
25. Wala po. Kasi kailangan malaman natin dahil kailangan bumunot ulit.
75.
So, 10, 25, 75. Next.
12.
Woohoo! Okay, congratulations, ma'am. You're bringing home, picture naman muna, ma'am. There, bringing home 500 pesos. Alright. Okay, ma'am, next.
74.
74, wala po. Ayan, wala daw, ma'am. Okay.
69.
69. Ano? Favorite number lang po nila yung 69. Diyos ko naman.
Yung may hawak na number na 69, hindi yung mahilig sa 69.
Ay, meron po dito minor. Joke lang po. SPG rated.
Number 7.
Number 7. Winner! Congratulations, ma'am. 500 pesos for you. Picture po muna. Okay, next, ma'am.
Number 9.
Number
42.
Number 42. San? 42. Alright, congratulations. Next, ma'am.
68.
68. Bubunot lang po kami ng bubunot,
17.
17. 17. Alright, puro mga babae po ang nananalo.
Number 2.
Number 2. Alright. Congratulations, ma'am. Picture po muna. Next. We still have. Wait lang, ma'am.
34.
34 or wala.
17.
17 daw.
78.
17 po yan, ma'am. Nanalo na po kayo. Nanalo na po si ma'am eh. Dalawa po yung number ni ma'am.
Number 45.
45. Wala po.
Number 8.
45. Congratulations, ma'am. Okay, number
8.
Number 8.
51.
51. to, sir? 39. Okay, okay.
22.
22. 22. Wala po. Yun! Okay! Alright, sir. Picture po. Picture muna. Congratulations.
One bucket, please.
One bucket now, sir. Meron ng 500 si sir. Ay, picture. Okay. Alright, congratulations, sir. 2 more to go.
67.
67. 67.
58.
58. 58. Dalawa na lang po to.
18.
18. 18. Woohoo! Our prayer leader. Oh nga. Thank you. Congratulations, ma'am. And picture. Last one.
55.
55. 65 daw.
50. 50.
50. Wala po. One last. Oh, yeah. We have a winner. Oh. Okay. Congratulations, ma'am. Woohoo! Alright. Congratulations. Picture lang po.
Marami pa tayong 500, 1,000, $100 and $50.
Okay, so do stick around. Ayaw nyo na, ma'am. Gusto nyo dollar na lang. Of course, you have to give chance to others. So please stick around. Plus, pag wala kayo dito, hindi nyo makukuha yung prize. So, sayawan po tayo ulit. Alright, so once again, we're opening the dance floor.
Words of wisdom, let it be. Let it be. Let it be. Let it be. Oh, let it be. Whisper words of wisdom, let it be. When the broken hearted people living in the world agree, there will be an answer. Let it be. Let it be. When the broken-hearted people living in the world agree, there will be an answer. Let it be. Let it be. Let it be. Let it be. Oh, let it be. There will be an answer. Let it be. Let it be. Let it be. Let it be, oh, let it be. So whisper words of wisdom, let them see. Tomorrow, let it be. Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. Speaking words of wisdom, let it be. Let it be, let it be, let it be. Whisper words. It's cheap. And I can just Pamela, Sandra, and Rita. And I'm teasing you, and you know they're getting sweeter. So. In my life, a little bit of Rita by my side, a little bit of Rita's all I need. A little bit of Venus, what I see. A little bit of Sandra in the sun. A little bit of Mary all night long. A little bit of Jessica, here I am. A little bit of you makes me your man. Oh, Ayos eh. Ayos. Honest. Number 5. Jump up and down and move on round. Kick to the sound, just put it on ground. One step left and one step right. One to the front and one to the side. Get your hands and clap your hands. Gently hit and do your thing. Ganun. The other side. A little bit of grief is all I need. A little bit of deepness what I see. A little bit of mo? Nakawalit ako ng sapatos mo? Ang beer mo?
Sir Salsa, right. So first winner,
Number 24.
24-4. Winner of 1,000 pesos. Next.
Calling number 24, meron na?
Wala pa po, sir.
Oh, last call, number 24. Okay.
Umuwi na. Umuwi na daw. Next.
Next number is number 27.
27. 27. Ito na, ito na.
Number 27.
Yes.
1,
Umuwi na.
2,
Umuwi na.
3.
Okay, next.
Yan.
Ayun, winner.
Congratulations, pare.
Congratulations.
Picture, picture. Gusto mo nga picture?
Ilabas daw, sir. Ayan, dali sa
Okay. Number.
Waki lang eh, no? Kulang sa Gangnam, sir. Alright.
Number 15?
Number 15, 1-5. Woohoo! Congratulations, ma'am. 1,000 pesos. Picture po muna with sila, sirs. Ayan. Okay.
Yeah, this is number 6.
Number 6.
A trip going to Tawi-Tawi.
Number 6. Wala daw po.
Number 6.
We still have 3 more winners to draw.
Number 6.
Representative
Yeah,
po.
everything.
And last winner.
Last winner goes to number 5.
Number 5.
Yeah.
Woohoo!
May round trip ticket.
You bring
Manila, Quiapo, Manila. Okay?
Round trip
May
ticket
round trip ticket ka. Manila, Quiapo, Manila.
There you
A
go.
round trip ticket going to Makati High.
Makati
Jera
High.
to Fire Department.
Oo nga, may kasama pa. Very good. Congratulations, our winners.
It's a
At
round
least
trip ticket.
stick around for more prizes. Gusto niyo na po bang i-announce ang ating best dress for tonight? Yes! So sige. I have the names over here. Ang question ko, ano po yun? DTI, Department of Trade and Industry. Dahil taga-ingay daw. Alright, sige, okay. So may we call on ma'am, sige, ma'am, yung best retro. Okay, so ma'am, Miss Lillian will join me here in announcing the winners. Okay, so first, we will be calling on, may finalists po kasi, and kailangan natin pagboto.
So, tawagin natin yung mga nagdamit ng 1970s. Sila ang mga finalists, and we would like to invite all these people who are wearing here in front to come forward at para makita yung mga damit ninyo.
At rarampa po sila, tama ba? Alright, masaya to.
First is Doris.
Doris! Miss Doris, come over here. Where's Miss Doris? Wala.
Ah, Doris, nandito. Nandito si Doris.
Ito po, okay.
Halika,
So please,
para makita naman
fall
nila.
in line.
Dito,
Di ba,
sa gitna.
Meron po tayong music para makarampa sila. Ngayon na po ba? Mamaya po sabay-sabay.
Nandito na. Telma.
Miss Thelma!
Telma.
Woohoo! Finalist for our best dress for tonight.
Cynthia.
Kulang daw po yung Miss Cynthia! Palakpakan naman natin with matching bag, of course.
Leonila.
Miss Leonila. Where are you, ma'am? There you go.
Nelly. Nelly.
Miss Nelly.
Marcy.
Nag-bis na.
Marcy.
Miss Marcy. Yay!
Evelyn.
Miss Evelyn. Best dress. Naku, raramba po kayo Make sure. Pati po kung...
Wilma.
Miss Wilma. Best dress, ma'am. Okay.
Allen.
Miss Allen? Mr. Arbaya? Mr. Kuya, no? Miss Allen! There you go.
Next is,
Ito na po, rumampa na agad. And finally,
okay lang. Next is Yolanda.
Miss Yolanda! Alright, saan po?
And last is Lucy.
Miss Lucy! Ready na ba ang ating music? Alright, rampa po tayo one by one. And later on, i-announce namin ang totoong, ayan na, okay. Ready? Take it away, girls. Isa-isa lang po. Ayan, sige, by twos. Sige, one by one, para naman ma-model nyo ang inyong outfit. Alright, next. Woohoo! Sexy pa rin. Wow! Work it, girls. Next. Anong sinabi ni Rian Ramos at Solen Yusap sa mga girls natin tonight? Alright! Meron na po ba kayong napupusuan? Woohoo! Presenting our best dress for tonight, Miss Lillian, I'm giving you the honors.
All right, ladies, thank you very much. Although lahat kayo ay kino-consider na winners, pero according to our jury, the winner is the most psychedelic attire at yan ay walang iba kundi si Miss Cynthia.
Alright, congratulations Miss Cynthia for winning best dress.
Okay, pero yung mga finalists, meron naman rin kayong prizes.
Ooh, alright, so please line up.
Okay, ang winner, si Cynthia.
Picture with your prize, please.
Sa ating mga finalists, meron rin kayo.
Yan. Alright, so token. Token daw po talaga, parang token sa MRT at LRT, ganyan.
Excuse me, I would like to donate this again for our next batch.
Yay! So, donate daw po ni Miss Cynthia ang kanyang prize. Thank you very much,
Cynthia.
lovely ladies over here. Do we already announce the stars of the night? I think we have to. Star of the night na po tayo, ma'am?
Okay, kaya lang yung mga guys, wala kaming nakitang naka-retro eh.
Wala daw pong nag-retro. Bakit, sir? Bata pa daw sila kasi hindi po nila naabutan yung mga panahon na yon. Hindi po nila alam yung retro, di ba? Hindi nila naabutan. Alam nila metro daw. Metro. Okay, so we have of course, pero may winners pa rin tayo na kahit hindi nag-retro, ay talaga namang may dating tonight, at pa? Sino po? Alright, so Miss Lillian, please do the honors
So
of
the
announcing.
next award or awards are for the Star of the Night.
Stars of the night.
Star of the Night, male and female.
Palakpakan muna tayo. Let's see who our
And
winners
again,
are.
according to our jury, for the male, walang iba kundi si Mr. Leo Pomok.
Mr. Leo Homok, where are you? Kailangan din daw pong irampa ang sir, please do the honors. Asan na?
Okay.
Mr. Leo Homok, please.
Star of
Let's
the
put our
Night.
hands
Ikaw
together.
napili ng mga judges. Okay? Star of the Night.
Star of the night. And it's... Rarampa rin daw kayo with your partner later, okay?
Okay, and this is your prize. Congratulations.
Yehey! O, hintayin niyo po muna yung partner niyo, ha? Rarampa kayo together.
And for the female, Star of the Night, ay walang iba kundi si Miss Eleanor Marabella or Eloisa Hodard.
Miss Eloisa Goddard. Ay, oo nga naman. Best dress talaga at sexy pa rin. Let's put our hands together for our stars of the night, please.
Congratulations.
Yeah, we accept this award. Teka muna, di pa ako tapos eh. Pakinggan niyo ako. Yeah, we accept this award. But, sana, let's go swimming sa Isla Rosy. Di ba, ayos? Oh, ayos. Pero ano, I'll donate this money again. I'll donate this money to our Bats 75.
Aww, thank you very much, our winners.
Thank you. So, ipaparaffle na lang natin to. Thank you very much.
Thank you and
Yes.
congratulations.
Oh, isang sweet music.
Sweet music daw, kuya.
Kasi actually, ang gusto namin talaga tanggapin, coins. Kaso binigay sa amin bills. Eh gusto ko coins. Para may remembrance kami. Ah, meron tayong coins? Ay, yung binigay?
Alright, so let's all put our hands together for our lovely couple.
Well-
The stars of the night for tonight.
Yeah. Can I talk? Hold on.
Hooray!
Can I talk to my bats? Okay, to my
Okay,
bats.
sir.
batch 75, you know, actually to tell you the truth, our teacher, mga teacher namin, my batchmate, sa totoo lang, really, traveling that far is hard, pero seeing you guys, para bang we fulfilled everything, you know. Kahit na, you know, kasi actually to tell you the truth, ang batch namin, 75, maraming dinanas na paghihirap, maraming dinanas na pagsisikap para kami makarating dito. Di ba? Paring Melvin? Boto sila yun! Bago! Hindi ako nangungumpanya, hoy. Biner, halika. Hindi ako nangungumpanya. Hindi, to tell you the truth, talagang happy ako. Makita ko lang lahat ng mga batch ko talaga. It's an honor kasi we're not getting young kasi one of these days, you know, knock on wood, you know, hindi na tayo magkikita-kita. You know, it's better na nakita ko na I belong to this group. I belong to this batch. You know? Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Winners, do we already announce po yung ating farthest in the Philippines? Paging, mamaya daw po pag may sweet music. Do we already announce, ma'am, yung ating farthest in the Philippines and in...
Since marami sila.
Ay, marami.
Marami sila, so i-acknowledge na lang natin.
Alright.
Yung mga nanggaling pa ng
All the
abroad,
way.
at saka yung from within the Philippines, yung kung sino yung bumiyahe ng pinakamalayo or yung pinakamalayong pinanggalingan. So unahin muna natin yung dito sa Philippines. Sino yung pinakamalayo ang
Sino po
biniyahe?
ba ang pinakamalayo? Far view. Anywhere farther?
Province.
Saan pa? Camarines Norte.
Si
Ma'am.
Vilma.
Camarines Sur. Okay, so sino po? Sino pa ba ang ating mga... Ma'am.
Nueva Ecija.
Nueva Ecija. Cebu. San Miguel, Bulacan.
Isabela. Oy, hindi yung province. Ako din talagang pinanggalingan. Okay, ni Isabela.
Isabela. All the way from Cagayan Valley. Farview.
Saan ang pinakamalayo?
Dubai.
Yung sa Philippines lang muna.
So mag-award po ba tayo? Papuntahin na lang po natin dito in front, no?
Oh, sige.
Sige, punta po dito yung mga all the way from Camarines Norte, Camarines Sur. Nueva Ecija, please. So we can have a photo with you.
Ilang hours ang Isabela?
Isabela, 10 hours.
Pag hindi nyo pinapanalo si Mads, wala tayong lechon bukas. Kaya utang na loob.
Oo nga, panalunin daw. Alright, so who else from the Philippines po for this point?
So, mukhang pinakamalayo ay Cebu, no?
Cebu.
Okay. So, bibigyan natin ng award yung pinakamalayo.
Pero palakpakan naman po natin.
Oo, yung effort nila.
Yung effort po of really traveling 10 hours or more just to be here, and it's really amazing and heartwarming to see all of you complete and really all taking time and effort. 45 hours.
Okay, so ang pinakamalayo ay si Allen.
Alright, palakpakan po natin.
May kasamang lechon yan eh.
Oo nga, meron po ba kayong message to our batchmates?
Naiiyak ako. Sa saya.
Congratulations.
Kaya dito tayo ulit. Okay, so, Ma'am Rosie. Hindi, ano na lang. Para sa ating bukas. Pagdagdag.
Congrats. And now,
Alright, sige, thank you very much and congratulations. At this point, ma'am,
yung mga galing naman sa abroad.
international, abroad naman po. So I've heard some are from Dubai. Tama po ba? Mexico, Pampanga, New York, Cubao.
Turkey.
Turkey!
From Turkey.
Dito po, please. Join us here.
From Australia.
From Australia. Nako,
Manolo, Australia.
Australia, please join us here in front. London, sir, please.
From London. From Canada. From Canada.
Meron daw po.
Melvin.
Jupiter daw. Tsaka po yung galing dun sa asteroid na tumama sa Russia.
From USA, si Grace.
From US. From the moon. Sino po? Sir Rolly. Sino ba po?
Si Kapitan, si Kapitan.
Kapitan. Okay,
si
who
Dan,
else?
si Danilo del Rosario.
Hawaii. Si Sir Jerry.
Again, si Leo. From US. From US, si Leo.
From California, please join us here.
Also, Vener.
Sir Vener.
US rin. Yung iba talagang karamihan sa
Harvard
kanila
daw.
ay pumunta dito para lang talaga dito sa reunion.
Oh, palakpakan naman po natin, everybody, please. And please know that all your batchmates are so proud of you.
Si Rocky Kabatay, galing saan?
Baghdad.
Baghdad. Si Eloy
Nation.
O, diba? International.
International na po ang scope ng inyong batch, no? So we're all so proud of you. And if you could just have this photo with you.
Yung iba, yung isa dyan, galing straight from the airport.
Straight from the
Direct
airport.
dito.
Sino po?
Si Manu
natin, please. And we're also proud of you for going this far.
So, paano natin madidetermine ngayon yung pinakamalayong
Oo nga
pinanggalingan?
naman. Feeling ko si Sir po na seaman, yung nakamarami ng... Arctic Ocean daw.
Siguro, Arctic, siguro, ano na lang natin yung land-based? Ha?
Pinakamaraming dollars daw. Ayos.
Ha?
Pinakamalayo.
Ilang hours ba ang ano nyo? Ilang
Matagalan
hours?
daw po ng flight. Na walang layover. So, sino na po ang ating winner?
Sinong pinakamalayo? Canada, US?
Pinakamalayo ang pag-iisip.
Ilang hours ba? Ilang hours kayo? Tanungin na lang natin.
Oo
Ilang
nga.
hours ang biniyahe?
Okay. Sino na po? Medyo magulo na po, ano?
Ilang hours ang
Ilang hours po? Pinakamalayo. 16 hours. 12 and a half hours.
Sino pa yung pinakamas...
20 hours. Without stopover. Without layover. Okay. Parang auction lang po. So ma'am, I think she's the winner. Tama po ba? 20 hours away from Manila.
Okay, Grace.
Alright. Okay, congratulations. US. From the US. So palakpakan po natin si Miss Grace.
Pwede ba? Sayaw na kami. Malalasing na kami.
Okay. Party na.
Sayaw na. So meron po ba tayong i-announce or award? Okay, so at this point, I think it's about time that we open the dance floor once again. Oh, sweet naman daw. So, alright, so happy. Okay, so we hope to see you once again for the next reunion. Meron po ba tayong i-announce? Picture taking muna bago tayo mag-dance-dance. Pwede ba yun? Para hindi pa kayo medyo pawis-pawis. Tama ba yun, ma'am? So, can we do it by section? Naalala niyo pa po ba yung section niyo? Okay, kuya, pwedeng pahina ng konti. Okay, picture taking habang magaganda pa yung mga makeup. At hindi pa masyadong laseng. Hindi pa masyadong namumula ang mga pisngi. Alright, next group, please get ready. Ross, Vivian David Coronado, Leonora Hapon, Ruben Jose, Josefina Magdalena Villanueva, Doris Rivera Di Okay, section 3, please. Ito po yung section 3. Yolanda Antonio Morilia, Wilma Cas, Ildefonso Mamaid, Florencia Panes, Margarita Velasco Solis, Maria Ana Zapanta Ibanez, Charito Tan, Rudy Bauzon, Shirley Bernabe Aguirre, Rosalia Collado, Celso Pelaez, Al Sadol, and Rolly Samaniego. Please get ready. So for those who I wasn't able to call and alam nyo po, na section nyo yon, please do join them na lang. Alright, so for section 1, please, once again. Alright, thank you very much. Now I move on to sections A, B, C.
Yung mga hindi makaalala kung anong section sila. Sino pala yung pinakamarami? Anong section yung pinakamaraming dumating? Ha? 1? Section 1 raw? Okay. May prize ba yon? Bibigyan natin yung tig 10 pesos. Yung pinakamaraming section. Bakit kami wala kaming waki kanina? Ha? Andaya nyo, ha? Okay.
Alright, so section 5, is that okay if we move on with section 5 first before going to section 6? Ayan, so if alam niyo po na classmates niyo sila, please just feel free to join them. And for those of you that I am unable to call, just please join them if you remember they're your classmates.
Lahat na ba, baka meron pa dyan na hindi pa nakakasama sa picture taking. For 1 o'clock.
Be there before 1 o'clock, aalis po sa Makati Park. Alright, we move on to sections C and D. So I'd like to call on Miss Adelaida Canlas Lipol, Ernesto Cruz, Hilario Sebastian, Melvin Yulo, Angelo Perez, Lolita O, And of course, to be joined by Section D, I'd like to call on Miss Lolita, Lolita Maria Fe Buenaventura, Yolanda Yaga, Gertrudes Custodio, and Elizabeth Alerama. Section C and D. Section 1 muna daw. Pero Section C and D, please get...
Para dumami ang batch 75.
Alright, so Section 1. And Waki na din daw. Okay, so do we move on to Section 2? Section C and D po muna since naka-red.
So please attend the alumni homecoming.
Alright. Section C and D.
Okay, later, tatanungin natin kung ilan lahat ang sasama sa Bulacan.
Alright. Waki! Ma'am, do we move on to Section 2? Or tuloy-tuloy lang po? Retake po kasi yata yung Section 2 kasi kasama yung... Okay, Section 2 please. Once again, retake with the teachers. Alright. Section 2. And if you know that you're from Section 2, then please just join them. Then we move on to Section E and F. E and F po. Sections E and F, please get ready. Section with the dancing and singing in a few minutes.
Okay, maya-maya lang ay magbibilang na tayo kung ilan talaga ang pupunta sa... Kailangan na nating magbilang. Pwedeng paki-raise your hand para doon sa mga sure na pupunta sa Bulacan tomorrow.
Okay, let's count.
Let's count.
Hindi pa po sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 21 po. 21, 22, 23,
Marcy,
24,
kasama ka sa
25, 26, 27.
Dalawa pa dito.
29. 29, 30,
31.
31. 31 po yung bilang ko.
Sino pa? At saka si Jerry, yung naka-green na bilang mo.
31, 32? Hindi pwede kasi di ba yung swimming pool pang 30 lang?
Hindi po kasha.
Miss Rosie, around 31, 32.
31,
Plus yung... Pwedeng magsama ng family member, pero may bayad yon, yung family member. So, sa batchmates, free, no? Manggagaling sa pondo ng ating batch. Pero kung magdadala kayo ng family member, may bayad, magkano? Yung sasama na hindi nag-confirm pero sasama bukas, na i-total na kasi lahat yun yung expenses, di ba? So yung susobra, paghahati-hatian ng lahat. I-divide sa lahat. Okay ba yon? Halimbawa, kasi ang ang budget natin is 50,000. Ando na yung transpo, ang food at accommodation. Then dahil ang lang nun, ang bilang lang is 24. 24? Hindi basta 2 vans yun. Ngayon, magre-rent pa tayo ng isang van para sa another, ilan pa yung nadagdag? 32, so 8 persons pa. So, paghahati-hatian yung ibabayad sa van, yun lang, yung sa bayad sa van. Yung food, okay na. Ha? Pool?
Oh, may wave pool tayo, may volleyball tayo tomorrow, meron tayong aerobics tomorrow.
Ihaw-ihaw?
May 3 lechon.
Ihaw-ihaw.
We try to enjoy. Okay? Bukas kakalimutan natin ang mga damit natin. Na bukas walang damit, okay lang. Girls,
So yung mga nag-confirm, talagang serious yun, ha?
Please, seryoso.
Kasi mag-aarkila, dalawa na inarkila, so mag-aarkila pa, last minute na isa pang van. So kung hindi kayo sisipot, nagbago isip nyo, babayaran pa rin yung sasakyan.
Oo. And another, may isa pa, kasi nagpa-cater tayo doon, binayaran ng pondo ng bats natin. Nagpa-cater tayo for certain number lang. Ngayon, kung mag-confirm na kayo ngayon para maka-order tayo ng extra food. Nakukunin din sa bats, di ba?
Siguro, may maglista na lang. Kung sino yung nag-confirm, ilista na lang natin.
Pwede, please. Oo.
No? Mag-pass tayo ng papel para i-confirm kung sino-sino talaga. Yung mga nagsitaas ng kamay kanina, 31 or 32, so paki-sign na lang.
And even more for the next one. Kailan po ba ang next reunion? Ipopost na lang daw sa Facebook. Alright, thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. And please, enjoy the night. Asan po ang ating... Meron na po bang naka-ready, please? Ready na po kayo sumayaw ulit? Ay, okay, sige. Alright, so I think we don't have any more. Ayan, o, di ba? Parang may disco ball pa talaga. Alright, so please... Mag-stretch na tayo. It's gonna be a long night of dancing and singing. So, sino po unang kakanta? Asan si sir? Meron na po bang naka-line up?
Pahabol. Sabi ni Miss Venturina, serious talaga siya sa pag-i-invite sa atin sa Tagaytay. So, thank you, Miss Venturina. Sabi niya, lalo na yung mga balikbayan, kung gusto niyo raw talagang pumunta sa bahay niya sa Tagaytay, ipapasyal raw niya tayo, kung sino man ang gustong pumunta. Any day. Basta give her a ring na lang.
But of course, before we end the night, I would just like to personally thank Ma'am Miss Lillian. Let's all thank yung pong organizers ng event. Palakpakan naman po natin, Miss Amor. Ma'am, can you please call them up?
Well, of course, our President, Miss Vina Aguilar. And of course, Miss Amor Ilagan. Miss Oti Velasco. Mr. Rolly Samaniego, Mr. Rudy Bauson, Mr. Al Sadol. Sino pa ba? Yung mga umaattend ng meeting. Oh, Mr. Celso. Baka may si Shirley. Thank you, Shirley. Shirley Bernabe. Sino pa? Si Minda De Vera, of course. Thank you sa pagtulong sa pag-organize nitong ating batch reunion. That's all.
So thank you very much for all those who organized. And once again, thank you. Please enjoy the night. And the dance floor is now open.
Ang aking yakap-yakap, ang iyong kamay, ang aking laging hawak, at hindi ka na. Bakit ngayon ka lang dumating sa buhay ko? Pilit binubuksan ang sarado ko ng puso. Ikaw ba ay nararapat sa akin? At siya ba'y dapat ko nang limutin? Nais kong malaman, bakit ngayon ka lang
Ikaw sana ang aking yakap-yakap, ang iyong kamay lagi aking hawak, at hindi kanya. Bakit ngayon ka lang dumating sa buhay ko? Pilit binubuksan ang sarado ko ng puso. Ikaw ba ay nararapat sa akin? At siya ba'y dapat ko nang limutin? Nais kong malaman bakit ngayon ka lang dumating sa buhay ko. Pilit binubuksan ang sarado ko ng puso. Ikaw ba? Bakit ngayon ka lang dumating? Yeah! Actually, walang practice yun. Ngayon lang yan.
Salamatan sa puso mo, sa akin na ibigay. Ngayon lamang ako nagmahal ng tunay sa tanang aking buhay. Sapat na ba ang ako ay mangako? Mananatili ka dito sa aking puso. Paano kita mapasasalamatan? Sapat na ba mahalin lang kita magpakailan pa man?